How do you win a truck accident case? Well, I've tried these cases to some good victories. I've also settled these. So it depends first on what you define as win is. Most folks that I know don't want to have to come in. They got hit. They got to go find a lawyer, figure out how to hire one, and now they got to go to trial. No one wants to go to trial in a case. But trial in your truck accident cases or truck crash cases is really the only power that you have against this big trucking company. So don't be afraid to do that or assert that right. It's the 7th Amendment to our Constitution. You have a right to trial by jury to resolve civil disputes. It's been 450 years in this country. So don't be afraid to assert that as an American. And then how do you win? Well, what you do is you hire a lawyer like me. If your injuries are bad enough, and they usually are, you have a serious injury, you want to hire a lawyer, we'll go out and we'll investigate the case. We'll get statements right away. We'll go take photographs. We'll hire an accident reconstructionist. We go take pictures of skid marks, the property damage. We go to the Highway Patrol or the state police. We get their report, their accident reconstruction. We also talk to the insurance. We interview any witnesses we can. We go take recorded statements of passengers, other people. We gather the evidence right away because things get cold down the line, 2 years down the line. Where are these witnesses? Where are these photos? We get your photos from the scene that you took with your cell phone because you were wondering whether the truck driver was going to change his story and say that you went into his lane instead of vice versa. So there's a lot of things we do at the beginning. We also make sure that you get the right medical care. You go to the right medical doctors that are going to stand up and say your injuries were caused by the traumatic impact that you had. Sometimes people have questions about medical. We're not steering you to doctors that are going to say what we want them to say, anything like that. Zero. We don't do that. However, some folks don't have insurance, and so we know some doctors who treat on a lien. Sometimes you want to navigate the type of medical you get. Do you need an orthopedic surgeon or a neurologist, or you just need physical therapy? We happen to know a lot about the medical because we see these types of injuries all the time. So we'll help coordinate your medical and look into that. And then we will make a claim against the insurance company. We'll seek full compensation for your injuries, not 50% compensation. Many times trucking companies and everybody else, it's hard to settle cases these days. Everybody wants to fight. So we file lawsuits and try cases all the time. I tried a case 2 weeks ago. And so we try cases all the time. We're known for that. We're known for insisting on full compensation for our clients. We also settle cases many times. And that's our goal, to put as much money in your pocket as we can. That's how you define a win, is you put the right amount of money in the client's pocket, which is tax-free under the tax code. That's after paying all the liens, all the medical providers, health insurance liens, that kind of stuff too. We do that as well. As part of our fee. We don't get paid unless we win your case. So that's a lot. I know I'm kind of jumping around a little bit, but the question is, how do you win your case? That's how you win your case. If the trucking company or its insurance company won't pay enough, we'll go try your case. We're proud to try your case. And we go in front of juries all the time and ask them for a fair amount. We hone our talent and our skills, our trial skills all the time in trying cases, taking depositions, motion practice, all the stuff we do and the other lawyers that work for me do to make sure that we're ready to be great advocates and progress your case as well as we can at trial. And go in and tell the jury, we need a fair trial for everybody in this case. And this is what happened. And and our client was damaged this way. And this is a fair amount to compensate him for that. Because the truck company, because you're at trial, the defendant hasn't taken responsibility. So that's why we have the 7th Amendment to our Constitution. That's why we need to do this, because we need to have them be accountable and we need to have them take responsibility. And sometimes a jury trial is the only way to do it. That's how we win your case. If you have any other questions that aren't answered here or the other resources we have at Burger Law, go to burgerlaw.com. Give us a call at 866-599-2222. In Illinois, 618-272-2222. In Missouri, 314-542-2222. Email me at Gary at burgerlaw.com. Thank you.